Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the pointer or touchpad speed on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change pointer speed on your device, open the Settings app first. You can get here by either searching for Settings in the app launcher in the bottom left, or by clicking on the time in the bottom right, and then by selecting the cog icon. Within the settings, click on Device from the options on the left, and then choose the option called Touchpad. On this page, look for the touchpad speed slider and move this to the left or right to increase or decrease the speed. You could also look at and customize the other options on this page. That's how to change the pointer or touchpad speed on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.